Hi guys, and today I just saw a lizard or something. I don't know what type of lizard. It's just so big. Look. I don't know when you see it. It's there. It's so big. Let me see when you can see the tail there. You see it? Maybe don't. Oh, I don't. You can see it. And I don't know when this is like. I don't know. I don't know. Sorry. Oh my god. My grandma is gonna picture it. Okay. I'm just gonna go. And I'm going outside. Going to the lizard. Okay. Okay. I'm going. Okay. And there's the lizard. The big lizard. I'm just gonna be far because maybe it will attack us. But there's just a problem. The mouth of the lizard or the nose of the lizard is... Yes, I'm just... yes. And...
Ato ga abig ibutang sa cage no? Ay butang na tukuan ba butang na. Bas
So
alam mo na kung kailan.
to kaluoy po dito ano eh.
yes. And bye. Bye guys. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And bye.